Hey guys, good morning, and I'm coming to you with a new video from the relaunched Tronmoon. As you know, if you've been following, the old Tronmoon was drained. The primary investors withdrew a majority, and of course, all of the smaller investors withdrew after that. So that program ended. So they have relaunched under rocket.tronmoon.space. And so this contract is supposed to have some built-in protections to keep the contract from draining as quickly. And so let's go over it now. So it's still paying 3% daily return, promising 300% total ROI in 100 days. It has 15% referral bonuses on 5 levels. And this is one of the features that is going to help extend the contract. There is a 35% auto redeposit feature built in, and with referral payout. So I'm not sure if part of that redeposit goes to your referrals or not, but let's just keep looking to see what they have here. So they're listing a dynamic dumping protection system. Not sure what that means, but hopefully we'll get to it soon. And they still have a 200 TRX minimum deposit. Right now, the amount deposited is 1.5 million TRX. They've only had a little over 99,000 TRX withdrawn. And to date, they have 465 users. So that's a pretty good sign because it's still early on. Let's just go to view their presentation before we jump in and do our initial 200 TRX deposit. And it's still loading here. Okay, great. So it's still the same introduction as before. It's a smart contract built on the Tron blockchain, fully decentralized, verified, transparent, 3% daily rate, 300% ROI, 15% referral bonus, 35% auto redeposit. And let's just see what else we have. Okay, so they're gonna go over the dynamic protection system. So this is something that wasn't on the front page. So in order for you to withdraw, there has to be a minimum of 50 TRX earned. And at any one time, the maximum withdrawal is gonna be 500K. So if you have someone that is able to invest like 4 million or something, and then it comes, it keeps building up over time. Even if they have 4 million to withdraw, they won't be able to withdraw it all in one day. So that's a good thing that's built into the plan. As we said before, it's the contract is 100 days. And dividends are able to be withdrawn at any time, depending on the contract balance. So still every 24 hours. And they're listing compatible wallets, TronLink, Clever, Token Pocket. I only have ever used TronLink in my browser because that's easier for me just to look around everything. So if you've already been using any Tron smart contract, you already know this information, but I will still post the presentation in the description so that you can fully look on it and comment. Okay, and the referral program, like I said, is on 5 levels. So first level, 5%, next level, 3%, 2%, 1%, 4%. And at all times, you should keep at least 30 to 60 TRX in your wallet to pay for gas fees, or in the alternative, you can freeze TRX, and I think it just stays frozen there. I'm not sure if you actually lose any or not if you freeze TRX. Okay, and so the user is able to withdraw at any time up to a maximum of 500 TRX every 24 hours. So again, you can't drain the contract quickly if you're a whale or someone that's investing a lot more TRX than usual. And automatically 35% of your withdrawal will be reinvested into the platform to continue earning. And that's not to say you can't reinvest more on top of that. You certainly can, but the minimum that will automatically trigger and reinvest into the contract is 35%. And this is going to be the fund distribution breakdown. So 68% goes to the main balance of the fund, 15% is set aside for the referral bonuses. The developers are getting paid in 3 ways. So 6% in developer fees, administration fees are 4%, support fees are 2%, and it looks like there is going to be an insurance pool of 5%. I'll find out more about that and see what all that entails. Right now, we don't know if the original Tronmoon had an insurance program, so we don't know if you didn't receive or recoup your initial investment, if you will be reimbursed or not. We'll find that out and we'll post it to the Facebook page and also the YouTube channel. Okay, and so now the dynamic dumping protection system. It says the system uses an ATH step reference by increasing the contract value every 500K TRX. So in increments of 500,000, a new ATH step reference is set. During this situation, withdrawal limits are 500K every 24 hours. And what this means is if the contract balance goes down to the last ATH step reference, a dynamic dead time limit is applied. The limit is equal to 1 day every 10% decrease from the last ATH step reference. And so I guess this means that normally you would be able to withdraw every 24 hours. But if this threshold is hit, it will show on the smart contract like, hey, you can withdraw in 2 days and 20 minutes or something like that. It'll automatically start a dead time limit. And that makes sense. I think that was written into the old Tronmoon because I had notices on my smart contract that says you can withdraw in 3 days or you could withdraw in 5 days on another wallet. So I didn't know what that meant, but so it sounds like that's what is going on in this contract and they're spelling it out for you. If the balance goes under the 20% of the ATH reference, there is also a halving of the max withdrawal allowed. So if the max is 500K, then it would become 250K TRX every 24 hours. And that makes sense. And then here is a reference guide to show you how that anti-dumping or something would work. Please view that at your leisure. I'll also post a screenshot of this on the Facebook page. And as always, with most smart contracts, and then also with myself, there's always disclaimers. You're at risk of losing some or all of your invested TRX. Smart contracts like this and others are high risk. They may be high reward, but you should act responsibly by doing some research of your own, talking to peers, join the Telegram group, see what's going on. But please only invest what you're willing to lose. And as always, any outcome that we describe, or even in my own personal experience, they vary. The outcomes vary widely depending on when you get into a contract and when you're able to get out. Okay? So let's go back and let's just do the minimum withdrawal. I mean, the minimum deposit, just to get into the contract. And it's doing a refresh. And so that is very weird. It says 200 deposited, but it also has a withdraw button like immediately, which is very weird. It should have 24 hours, but let's come back tomorrow and look at it, or I'll check it again in about 30 minutes to see if there's a button there to upgrade the time when we're able to withdraw. So that is concerning for that, but it could have a timer on there for investors' remorse so that you can get your TRX out right away. It may cost you gas fees unless you have frozen some TRX. So that's it. Look for the link in the description and down in the comments, and I'll see you again tomorrow.